Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will start new lesson multiplication and division. Okay. These are all familiar chapters. So let's start from quick drill. Okay. Today we will see multiplication of 2 and 3 digit number. Okay. Quick drill. Multiply 201 into 10. So how to multiply this? 201 and 10. 2010. Okay. 320 into 200. 2 is a 4. 2 3 is a 6. And have to put 1 2 3. 3 zeros. Okay. Next 523 into 100. 523 20. Okay. 110 into 1000. 110 into 1 2 3. Understood? Next move on to practice 1. 5931 into 45. Okay. $5,931 into 45. So answer is 2,66,895. Okay. Next B. 6,059 into 32. $883. Okay. Next C. 7162 into 60. So 4,29,720. Okay. Next second. 8089 into 15. So 8089 into 15. So 1,21,335 answer. Okay. Next B, 1860, 1860 into 22, 40,920. Okay, understood? So, remaining these are the homework. So, do it yourself, or else I'll upload in my WhatsApp channel. Just check it out. Okay, same. The channel link is in my description. Okay, next, the school fee for a student is 1000 rupees 1415 per month. What is the total fee for 428 students in the school? So, 1415 into 428. Six lakh 5,620 rupees. Okay. Next, fourth one. Kishore donated school clothes to senior citizens living in an old age home. Clothes for one person cost 1236 and there were 64 senior citizens. How much did Kishore spend? 1236 into 64. Oh, 111. So answer is 79,104. Okay. So for this we finished practice 1. Tomorrow we will see practice 2. Okay. Thank you.